Dear viewers, today we will discuss Pythagoras theorem. Mean some theorems or some formulas we use for measurement of geometry problems. Today we will discuss Pythagoras theorem. Mean a formula is the mathematical equation to solve a geometry problem, while a theorem is a statement that is proved using previously known fact. For example, the Pythagoras theorem proved that a square plus b square is equal to c square for a right angle triangle where a and b are the sides of the right angle triangle and c is the hypotenuse. Mean here is the shape of a right angle triangle. This is called perpendicular, mean b. This is called base, mean a. This is called hypotenuse, mean c. When we calculate value of c, we will put value of a and value of b. We get c value. When we want a value, we will put value of c and value of b. Want value of b, we will put value of c and value of a. We get value of b.